Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli, amma ba'du. The Honorable Examiner of Seminar Proposal, the Honorable my Supervisor, Mr. Madi MED. Now first, let me introduce myself. My name is Naning Triana from 5th A semesters. And here my research title, The Correlation Between Listening to English Songs and Vocabulary Mastery at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. Okay, the first point, background of the problem. According to Hidayat, listening is considered an important skill that must be mastered. How will a person listen has a big impact on the quality of their relationships with other people. Vocabulary here is the component of the English language which holds an important role in communication. According to Wilkins, 20, and to express that despite having good skills and grammar, the ability will be futile if it does not have enough mastery of vocabulary. It means that we must master the vocabulary. If the students have more vocabulary, then they will develop the first language skills. And according to Law and Bailey in 1998, in page 8, learning English through songs are able to change a tedious ambience in the class, and they can provide a pleasant class environment so that students can develop their lingual skills more easily. Margaret cited in Wellington in 2011 says that song can even be useful tools in the learning of vocabulary, sentence structures, and sentence pattern. Moreover, Wellington from 20 and 11 urged that song can provide an opportunity for practicing vocabulary. Along with the progress of science and technology in this modern era, it's undeniable that the ability of foreign language, especially English, is extremely important. However, there are still many students who have inadequate English skills. In learning English, students should be ready to practice for skills such as listening, reading, writing, and speaking that should be mastered well. Unexplained problem, identification of the problem. Here there are 3 points. They are the first, how far does listening to English songs to support the student to improve vocabulary mastery? And next, why is listening to English song important in vocabulary mastery? And then, are students who are good in vocabulary mastery through is listening to English songs? And next, limitation of the problem. Here, in this research, the writer focused throughout the correlation between listening to English songs and vocabulary mastery. The Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. And then formulation of the problem. Here there are 3 points. The first point is, how is student listening to English songs at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru? And next, how is students vocabulary mastery at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru? And the last, is there any significant correlation between listening to English songs and vocabulary mastery at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru? And then about the objective of the research. Here there are 3 points also. To know students listening to English songs at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. And then to know student vocabulary mastery at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Izhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. And the search to find out the correlation between listening to English songs and vocabulary mastery at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Azhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. Okay, the next topic, significance of the research. Here, probably this research can be usable for the author as a novice researcher, especially in learning how to do research. And the findings of this study are also expected to be usable and valuable, especially for students and English teachers, to be taken into consideration in their learning process in the future for Integrated Islamic Vocational High School Al-Azhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru to improve English learning. Okay, next chapter, the second chapter is review of related literature. Theoretical framework. The first definition of listening, according to Noonan in 1970, listening is a kind of capability to identify and understand what other people are talking about. Additionally, listening is also of the fundamental language skills. And the concept of listening, Howard Henderson in 1974 stated that in listening is the capability to identify and understand what the other are saying. It's a process to implicate understanding the speaker's accent or pronunciation, the speaker's grammar and vocabulary, and comprehension of meaning. Okay, listening to English songs from Murphy in Rusova 27 in page 16 states, in our times, it's hard to escape music and song as it occupies evermore of the world around us. In operating theaters, restaurants, and covered shopping malls, at sport events, in our cars, and literally everywhere, it would seem that the only place music and song is slow to catch on is in school. And definition of vocabulary here from David Grant said that vocabulary is a list of words usually defined and alphabeted as a dictionary or specialist glossary, complete word stock of a language. And the last, vocabulary mastery. Here, vocabulary is the component of the English language which holds an important role in communication from heard and easily. And the vocabulary mastery is important because it's one of the elements that link it four skills such as reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Without vocabulary, there is nothing we can say. Okay, the last capture, research method. Here, research design. The writer used pre-experimental design in this research and used quantitative research to find data. Okay, time here. Conduct research in April 20 and 22 until July 20 and 22. And this location, this research was conducted at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School, Al-Azhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. Subject here, the subject of this research was the 10th grade student at Integrated Islamic Vocational High School, Al-Azhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru in the academic year 20 and 21 and 20 and 22. And the object here of this research was the student listening to English songs and their vocabulary mastery. Next, population and sample here. Population from all of students of 10th grade of Islamic Vocational High School Al-Azhar Islamic Banking Pekanbaru. And the sample 13 students. And technique, this technique is a non-random technique. Here, the technique of the data collection. There are two techniques used to collect the data in this pre-experimental research, namely observation and test, pre-test and post-test, and technique analysis the data. The technique of the data of analyzing the observational data use descriptive quantitative analyzing using SPSS. Okay, that's all from me. If there any mistake, pardon me please. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.